Didn't understand a single word? It's okay. That's probably how you're gonna feel in the next few videos. Anyways, if you were wondering, what I was saying is please subscribe or you're never ever gonna see a meme again. With that, let's get into lists. No, a list is not me writing a bunch of things I'm going to get for my groceries, or making a list to decide what to buy for my cousin's birthday party. No, not at all. In Python programming, a list is created by placing all the items or elements inside square brackets. Separated by commas, it can have any number of items, and they may be made of different types: integers, floats, strings, etc. A list can also have another list in an item. Can you guess what this is called? A nested list. Now I know I said a list is not a groceries list, but in my example, there's going to be one, so don't blame me. The first thing we're going to do is make a new file and save it as lists. I've already done it and I've made it in my folder. You should be pretty comfortable of where you're going to save. And what we're going to do today is select a random item from the groceries list to inform the user the very first thing they're going to buy, which they put on their list, as soon as they enter into the grocery store. So we're going to type import random, and essentially what this is doing is calling a predefined function to run the random part in our code. So like this. Oh, I'm not typing. And all the way, import random. Now random, I don't just assign it any variable name. This is already a predefined function. And note how I don't make I capital. It's going to stay lowercase. Next, what we're going to do is make our list. First, we are going to make our variable name. I suggest you don't make your own variable name, as groceries is a proper name for this scenario. Then we are going to type square brackets, and inside these brackets type whatever you like, or most importantly, what you are going to buy. I don't know, let's put bread, vegetables, fruit, cookies, and ice cream and milk. After each word, put commas, and around each word, put quotation marks, like this. So we are going to take our variable name groceries. Groceries is an appropriate name. It's equal to a list. And inside these lists, first things first, we're not going to be having curly brackets, and only square brackets will work for a list. Inside these things, we put whatever you like. Bread, vegetables, fruits, milk, ice cream, and cookies. Okay, so we have all the things which we are going to put on a list. Try to relate this as possible and normal as you would go into a grocery store. So we have our bread, vegetables, fruit, milk, ice cream, and cookies. Around these, we have to put our quotation marks, remember? And not just one there, one here, and one there, around each and every single word. I know it's hard. Just a little bit longer. Finally, done. There. That is our list. Now type or make your print statement and say, hello fellow user, you are going to buy this item first. A comma, then we're going to type random.choice, brackets, inside these brackets, our variable name, groceries, and our ending brackets. So, like this. Print I'm pretty sure you guys know how to make a print statement by now. Print, opening bracket, quotation mark, hello fellow user. You're going to buy this item first. A semicolon to separate the random choice that we are going to be picking from our list. And then a comma to make sure that we are importing the function. And then we're going to say random. This random is similar to that random. That's because this is the predefined function that we are calling. Dot choice. Choice because we have to select a random choice from our elements in this list. And last but not least, we're calling groceries, which is our variable name that we assign to this list, which holds the elements again: cookies, ice cream, milk, fruits, vegetables, and bread. So let's go ahead, save it, and we're going to run this. Let's bring our pop-up window here. Wow, perfect. Hello fellow user. You're going to buy this item first. Cookies. Mmm, delicious. Wow, look at all these stars. In fact, you know what? I think I'm going to make a challenge out of these stars. Hello and welcome back. We're going to make a challenge where you are going to make a list of 5 different stars you know. Don't know any? Search it up. Then we're going to make a variable to store the random selections. And at last, we are going to print out, wow, that star has a fantastic name. Are you ready? Great, looks like you finished. Well, I've already done the challenge, and I've saved it as challenge 5 in my specific folder, Python. Now I'm going to take this challenge up with you, and hopefully yours shall look same and similar. So what I've done is, first I've imported the function random, not a variable name, it's a predefined set of functions. So import random, import the module random. Then over here I made a variable name which is assigned to this list. So stars underscore name is equal to whatever is in this list. So over here are 5 different names I searched up of stars: Celeste, Orion, Luna, Dawn, and Aurora. Then I have made another variable called star, and star is equal to the random choice of whichever one it picks from this list. So I've called the function, the variable named star name. Then I've printed star is a fantastic name. Note that I've not printed star names. I've printed the variable which has chosen the random name from star names. So let's go ahead and run this and check out if it works. So, oh, perfect. Orion is a fantastic name. Now to make sure this actually works and that I haven't just done Orion is a fantastic name, let's try running this again. So let's close our module, press F5. Celeste is a fantastic name. Let's print another one. Orion is a fantastic name. Oh, Orion is a fantastic name. Well, this shell definitely loves Orion. Luna is a fantastic name. Perfect. Phew, that challenge was tough, right? Here's something for you. For those who are eager to learn to code, please check out W3 Schools and search up random W3 Schools Python. Remember how we used choice? That was to choose a random element out of a list. Well, there are dozens and dozens of more different circumstances. Hence meaning there are probably more words than choice. I will add a link in the description below for you to check out. What's that, Jimmy? Seriously? Yeah, I'll be sure to tell my audience. You hear that, guys? If you don't like and subscribe, Jimmy's gonna be very upset and you'll never ever see me again. Don't risk it.